Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, and as a part of the ongoing civil justice sign of closure process, I also want to read the Holy Bible, the chapter Luke 19, as a part of the testimony also. Okay, so that way we all can be on same page about the proof, the life proof of the scandal that's been going on, right? So that means all the absolute monarchs, they have been they destroyed the national operations, they destroyed the holy marriage law, and they, on top of it, they also created every single abuse, you name it, all created exclusively for tax mandate. So we need that civil justice need to be served, right? So that is why I felt that reading this chapter from the Holy Book Bible will provide the enough proof that USA government needed on how exactly, why exactly the absolute monarchs are the Satans, the hell creators, right? And this is enough for them. This Holy Bible verse, which I'm going to read on, is enough for them to know how and why and what is the scope and what is the objective behind and what is the gain these evil Satans, Antichrist, Lucifers, absolute monarchs, this Pope Francis and their teams and the Queen of England, Elizabeth II, they are all into. Right? And they created all these scandals all in an organized way. Nobody could say that this is wrong like that, because they created that wrongful process itself is a right. To make wrong as a right mean, they legalized it. So that is why people and national governments, they are collecting tax, not even aware that is a crime. A nation should never ever collect any kind of any form of tax. That is the truth. So what is Pope Francis going to do about when I'm going to read the Bible verse from the Holy Bible? Either Pope Francis, the religious leader of Roman Catholic Christianity, must say Pope Francis knows what is Holy Bible, right? Or Pope Francis should say don't know Holy Bible. Queen of England Elizabeth should say, being a queen of all the nations, ruling all the nations, should say Queen of England Elizabeth II is a Christian. Or Queen of England Elizabeth II should say to the world, she's never a royal, she's never a queen, she's never a Christian. Rather, Queen of England Elizabeth II is an absolute Islam, Judaism, the hell creator, the tax creator. Or Queen of England Elizabeth II must say to the world that Queen of England Elizabeth II knows what is Christianity or what is Holy Bible. Or Queen of England Elizabeth II should say, don't know what is Holy Bible, don't know what is Christianity, like that. So either way, we are winning the case by case for each and every single crime, count by count, right? And it is all home run winning. Why? Because there is a proof after proof after proof I'm proving. So USA government got all the proofs, and absolutely we humans are going to get the civil justice sign off along with the medical compensation. I am standing in front of 7.9 plus billions of humans, and I sure will get the civil justice for everybody. Right? Okay, I will continue with this Bible verse, and then I will continue with the session of what exactly, how exactly, along with the timestamp, these absolute monarchs started to create hell called tax mandate. Okay? So, it is from I'm going to read the Holy Book, Holy Bible. The chapter is Luke. Okay, Book of Luke, and the chapter is 19th chapter. It is New International Version. Okay, see, there are different classifications on how the book, how people will write. Right, I already explained to you all that in entire earth, only one book is called as holy. And that is only Holy Bible. And there is a reason behind it, my dear fellow mankind. Do you all know why? The simplest reason is, pretty straightforward and direct reason is, whoever sat and wrote a Holy Bible, they were not holy. Got it? They were all to errors human mode, and they all they all sinned. They all were flawed, and they were like FLAWED, like that, flawed. Okay, flawed against the glory of God. According to the Romans, there's another Bible verse, right? Everybody sinned. So that means 7.9 plus billions of humans are flawed against God. But then, how that was also created? How people were enforced to sin against God? You all tell me. It all traces to only absolute monarchs. They were the source creators. They were the hell creators. They were the abuse creators, right? So, but what happens when abuse is also provided and healthy environment is also provided? Abuse means there will be temptations. But in a healthy environment, there will never be temptations, right? When people are living in peace that passes understanding, when people are living in happy mode, happy family, children, whatever, right? Like that in a healthy environment, they will not even have time to create hurt for fellow mankind. There will never be any abuse at all. So, they never wanted people to live happily. These absolute monarchs are, the foolish level is so high as they're dangerous to the human kingdom. I already said, even on the blood cells level, they are very dangerous. Got it? So, that means they really do not care, meaning they really enjoy the sufferings of fellow mankind. And that is why they wanted to create abuse of any forms and avatars, and they legalized it. Okay? When they legalize it, nobody can ask why this abuse is there in the earth. Versus they left a loophole, and the Queen of Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and all the Islam leaders, fake Israel leader and all, the yoga gurus and Dalai Lama, they never had a clue that in year 2021 they all will stand in front of me, the Supreme Judge, Vedapriya, and will be thrown in the lake of fire. They never had a clue. Right? So that is why even before hurting a fellow mankind, a civilian should think twice, thrice, 4 times. Even pray to God whether they can hurt fellow mankind. Means that tells what? A civilian can never, ever, forever hurt fellow mankind in any form. But then they never stopped in their creating that abuse, right? Okay, if they wanted, they created poverty. They should have stopped it there. They never stopped. They created orphans, they created refugees, they created war crimes, they created unhealthy organizations, right? On and on. Las Vegas, Sin City, and all was made to be look good like an organized way. And these foolish nations, they thought, oh, okay, even when all these unhealthy programs are there, it is going to make revenue out of tax. But that is wrong. It only made $22 trillion deficit, right? Don't you all think so? If whatever Queen of England Elizabeth II and Pope Francis did for war crimes and cancers and birth defects and LGBTQ and different long list of unhealthy marriage types and broken government operation system means, please keep your God-given hands on your heart and tell me, my fellow mankind, don't you all think that USA Treasury and the revenue should be overflowing with dollars? But it is not, right? So that it's a life proof. What more of a proof does the USA government need that it is the Pope Francis only destroyed USA in pieces beyond repair? USA nation is $22 trillion deficit, and that is a crime. A nation can never be the deficit. A nation can be never in a bankrupt mode. But sadly, these foolish people in the government, be it Senate, Congress, GOP, president leaders, they are all creating a show and illusion and not conveying the truth to the population. Right? What they have to say, hey, there is a $22 trillion. It is Pope Francis only destroyed the government. We are working on fixation. They are not telling that. Who is telling the truth? I am, born to save USA nation, is telling the truth as is mood. So you all should be thankful for me, right? And I am providing all this wisdom for free because I know wisdom is costliest. It might look like free, too good to be true mode, but it is. It is true good. It is really good. Why? Wisdom is heaven. When people are walking always in wisdom pathways, they will be only in heaven. When people are guided in the rightful way and got educated with public awareness and what is the basic birthrights, they will never ever dare in their dream to choose foolish pathways. That is, even if United States of government enforces foolish pathways, the civilians will not take it. They will say, sorry, government, we want to be only wise. We will walk only in the wisdom pathways, and they'll keep marching only in the wisdom pathways. Even the USA government will be totally shocked. Oh my gosh, how this 300 million foolish people became so wisest. Who is that lady that created all this 300 millions to be wisest? Means they'll start to think, oh, is this the lady, the Vedapriya, who is wisest lady in the whole entire human kingdom, educated all the people to be wisest? Means beyond their frustration part on one side, because all the unhealthy organizations going to be sealed and shut down. On the other side, they'll be happiest for me, right? Oh, when nobody bother to stand up and educate, when nobody, even educated lawyer man or educated doctor man or educated doctor women or educated teacher man, educated teacher women never bothered to guide the USA in the rightful way, at least one woman in whole entire total population, means out of 7.9 plus billions of human, only one wisest woman, that is I am that all. I am that I am, that is all. So the United States of America, even in the handcuffed mode by me, will be the happiest. I already conveyed that. Why? Because wisdom is so coolest, my dear fellow mankind. It is absolute heaven, right? And by now, you all the nations, all the governments, total male population, total female population, total governments, parliaments, national leaders, all got the message that yes, whatever Vedapriya says, it is for wisest process only. So, governments can close their eyes and do whatever guidelines Vedapriya is providing them to do. Means that is always an attribute of a true love display, right? That is another attribute of true friend. That is why the true friend role is a God-given role, and it is the holiest of all the roles you can think of, be it stranger and parental roles, in-laws roles, friends roles, any roles you are having, right? On the baseline, each gender have sons or daughters role. But beyond that, they are the strangers who won't find friends to anybody. So only strangers are the creators of the relationship after all, right? It is almost like how the parent-child relationship, endless love bonding is created, right? Nobody knows how the babies will be inside the womb. When I was in the womb, I never knew how I will be. It's the same for you all too, right? So that is itself is a proof that how God created each human in God's image in his labor time, right? So there is a confusion among the nations, among the national governments. So that when I was saying nobody in each government population worldwide per nation, they never knew or knows what task they have to do. Senate were thinking they are the highest salary people, they are the gods, so they can do whatever crap they want. Nobody will ask them. And that is the way it is, because that is how the organization structure has been built in United States of America, right? Well, just like that, policy billing cannot be signed. Why? National leader will say one, Senate will block it, Congress will say okay, then House of Representatives will block, Vice President will say, and then this is on the highest level, the federal government level. Then comes the state to state level of crap, the corruption, right? Meaning, when I'm saying crap, I'm not joking, and it's not funny that people cannot say why this lady is telling crap. It is a crap means what? Trash, right? Garbage. So each state to state government structure is also organized in that same organization structure where the federal government is structured. So there will be Senate in each state, there will be Congress in each state, there will be House of Representatives in each state, and all of them they'll provide their own roadblocks. So they want to make sure that they are the only gods on each level, and God 1, God 2, like that. And on the other end, the bill policing, the important, healthiest, holiest public service processing to reach out the healthy health benefits for the population never even signed, never gets signed. Right? But what the speaker, cunning evil speaker, Pelosi and other people says, Oh, we are only talking, it's almost there, the stimulus packet is almost there, right on your doorstep, it's there, like means they are treating the population like dogs. Sorry to say this, my dear fellow mankind, and that's the truth, that's the reality. Just accept it, eat it, chew it, and digest the truth, the assess mode. Why Nancy Pelosi and Republican GOP leader and Democrat GOP leader and all the Senate, Congress, all they are playing with emotions of population? They do not know the word called poverty. They are highest salaried people. Lifelong, they don't have to be unemployed. Even after coffin, they will get the benefits. Right? Free of everything, you name it. They'll get free. So that means they don't even have a clue what is a low income population will undergo through, or middle class families will undergo through, or cancer patients or health issues people who cannot go to the work and still enforced to go to the work just because they are in a poverty mode, having that secure insecurity. Oh, will I have the job? Will I be fired? Will there be layoff? Will there be a mass layoff? Will there be reorg? Will there be workplace politics? How to handle the workplace politics like this, that, and on and on. Right? So how long these same scandal can be going on? You all tell me. So when President Joe Biden is handcuffed, who else is also handcuffed? My dear fellow mankind. By now you all should be on the same page. Yes, Nancy Pelosi, the speaker, is also handcuffed. Mode. I'm just slapping Nancy Pelosi, the speaker, left and right, and she's Democrat. And she don't know what is democracy code. Right? So can you all see, Democrats don't know what they are doing their job, and Republicans government, they don't know what they are doing their job tasks. Republican on a highest level means traditional values. They maintain only traditional values, but they are the ones who are providing all hell after hell after hell in the name of traditional values. Then come to the Democrats. Democrat means on the highest level means what? Liberal. Liberal means they will still overlook the traditional values, and they'll be more excusing those, overlooking those traditional values. That's called the liberal meaning. But then there is an abuse on that level also, right? In the name of democracy, only they are also providing hell after hell. So they don't know what exactly is a democracy code. What is a democracy code? It is never, why? So what is democracy code? It's a one education. What is the scope, objective is another education. What is the gain and loss is another education. And how on the earth, even the words in that sentence can even create emotional damage is another education. So, so that means, what is the democracy code? The democracy code is what? We the people, for the people, by the people. Right? So what happened? These Democrats, less foolish than Republicans, they use that code to wear it as a mask, and they started fooling. So that means both the governments are in a very scandalous level only. Right? On the foolish level, Republicans are highest and Democrats are less foolish. That's all. Right? So, because it was a people, these then there again comes another scandal. The medical doctors who went to the medical school, they treat the civilians only as machines, and that is why they even created case number. If you go to the hospital, they will never ever say, are you the patient? Are you this patient? No. They'll never ever treat the fellow mankind as a human. The doctor will have the sheet number which has case. So tell me, they are the ones who provided all the unhealthy influence to the government and misguided everything. They were the one who misguided, hey government, please treat all the civilians as case, meaning machines. We went to the medical school, we learned the human anatomy for at least 10 years, so we know how to manipulate the emotions, how to manipulate the feelings of fellow mankind, and they are just treat them as a trash. Just treat all the population, 300 million people, millions of population in USA as a garbage. Then there will be revenue increased in the treasury. This is how they misguided. So who is going to pay for the damages? You tell me. Can you all see how President Joe Biden is going to resign any moment? Right? How shameless can he be in the White House? You all tell me, my dear fellow mankind. If he's not a lawyer, then that is a different process of civil justice. He is a lawyer, and for his entire career, he was only in the lawmaking process, right? At least 1 minute or 1 second, if at all, he would have fallen down on knees and prayed to God and got the wisdom from the God. He would have guided USA government in a healthy way. He missed the bus. He missed the chance. And now on the earth, he can tell he can lead USA. He is going to destroy USA more than how President Trump destroyed. It will just imagine it's going to be $1 trillion increase of destruction President Joe Biden is going to do to the USA. And that is the reality. Got it? That is the truth. So that is why I'm saying even President Joe Biden or Vice President Kamala Harris might even be being super frustrated at me, being aware that, oh, this lady supervises me, they will only even curse me. Why? Because just now they got the job and I'm asking them to resign. Right? Just now they signed off their job, just now they celebrated the festival. And I'm asking them to resign. Just get out of the White House now. Don't answer. Do not give any explanation. Just get out. Means there is a real important emergency mode operation that needs to be provided. I have to step in. I have to start leading, guide the design solutions, fix all the broken organizations. It's just not one services is broken. Everything is broken. So I only have to sit and side by side I have to fix everything. From Department of Children and Families, from tax agencies, from COP agencies, from military agencies, from agriculture, from mortgage, from loans, everything I only have to fix. Nobody knows what they are doing. Everything is scandal, my fellow mankind. Right? So that means President Joe Biden, Vice President Kamala Harris, and Democrat Speaker Nancy Pelosi, and all the women Democrat presidential candidates who were campaigning last year in the year of 2020. How do you all know? And I already conveyed, they all were backed off in silence, being aware I am Vedapriya will stand up and provide all the wisdom to the whole entire world. They know. Be it Vice President Kamala Harris, and because they are all in, they all fear me only, right? Be it Minnesota Senate leader, who was a presidential candidate, they all talk only sweet talk, right? That's all is needed. They have to talk sweet talk and they get paid for it. And the Massachusetts leader, Warren. So the scandal is in an exponential way, on a federal government way, and then state government way, region by region way, district by district way. Everywhere the system is broken in pieces. So who is going to pay for damages? Who? So I will continue read this Holy Bible verse, okay, and then I will provide one more session and provide what more of a hell these absolute monarchs created, okay, and they are going to end up only in lake of fire, my dear fellow mankind, and it is according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law, no other go, okay, and that is the rightful way. Right, even on death penalty, there's a healthy death penalty and unhealthy death penalty, and USA is going to pay for whatever death penalty signed by federal judge and the prison judge and the state prison officers, be it jailers or whatever. Right? And there are so many movies also, they provided the education about how the justice services is broken. Still the population never got it, still the government never got it. Right? They were happily working on only with the foolish things, and they never ever had a clue. All the Senate, all the speakers, entire USA government, they never had a clue that Vedapriya, the toughest of all the toughest, the fire, will stand in front of entire human kingdom and will slap USA government and will sure get civil justice. And it is ongoing, right? Nobody can damage human brains of fellow mankind. I will ask President Joe Biden to create new brain, new heart for each civilian. Come on, go ahead and do it. You're telling you're the God, you're the President of USA. Then also creating all damages, right? So then be prepared to pay the creating brain and create new heart and give to the civilians, right? So yes, Dr. Fauci, Dr. Brinks, they displayed themselves how evil they can be, not only to USA, to the entire world, right? If only they had little bit of that humane consideration, they would not have marketed and provided a $1 trillion scandal on COVID-19 mask alone, right? I already said. African nations are third world nations. India just transitioned because of my wisdom only. They just transitioned from being a third world nation to a developed nation. It's the same for China, and every nation is like that only. So they did not have even a humanity consideration, and they are called as what? Doctors. I don't know, see, honestly, I don't know how God will even forgive Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks for whatever scandal they provided, right? If they were real true humans, they should have stood in front of me face to face, right? And worked on the lawsuit which I filed against the Department of Health Services for $500 billion in the year of 2019. They never did that. Why? They knew they will lose the case and they have to pay me $500 billion. And it's the same now too. It just got increased. $500,000 trillion. How cool is that, isn't it? It's just not me. USA have to pay for entire human kingdom. Because COVID-19 plague scandal spread like cancer in all the nations. All the poverty people were trashed, less than dirt, right? So damages is done, right? Can Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks can take back all the scars enforced on all the innocent population worldwide in the year of 2020 just because of the COVID-19 scandal they provided? Yes or no? No, right? So I will say just pay $500,000 trillion for each civilian to handle that pain and trauma, emotional trauma they had to enforce to live with it. So doctors cannot think, the foolish medical people, professionals cannot think that they only can write costly medical billing. Not anymore, my dear fellow mankind. It is going to be the other way around. It will be super fun, isn't it? For Pope Francis create cancers, who should pay the cost? Who should pay the $1 billion to the civilians? Doctors. And I also already said I am going to revoke all the doctor's license from them. And then, because that is a discipline I have to provide. For 5 years, there will be no doctor's license for any doctors in the earth for the fatal negligence of Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks, who created the COVID-19 scandal for entire human kingdom worldwide and tortured the poverty population to die out of poverty. That is deadliest crime they provided. For that crime, yes, all the doctors worldwide have to take the curse. And their license have to be, doctor's license have to be revoked. And they will work. I can even go to the more extent of severity of discipline to tell all the doctors to work without any salary. And then I can ask them to go in queue, wait on the waiting list and beg for welfare services to provide them the monthly expenses. But I will not go to that extent. You know why? Civil justice process is super heaven process, my dear fellow mankind. Right? Always abusive patients should live free. Meaning, I will ask Dr. Fauci, Dr. Brinks, who created hell for everybody, to live free only. That is all is the punishment for them. There is no other punishment to allow an abusive patient to live free. They'll still get all the benefits, everything, but they'll live free. Only task is they lost the eligibility to apologize to any of the national governments or any of the population. That is all. That is always a punishment. That is why civil justice is always excellent, perfect. It By the time I sign off the civil justice, the abusive patients will be cured and healed by 99%. Do you all know that? When I said there is no need for any federal prisons or there is no need for any state prisons, no, I was not joking. Now tell me, there again it is a prison is also a scandal for tax only, right? So how does Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks misguided USA government forever in their entire medical field? They got misguided. Hey, government, have all the innocent people thrown in the federal prisons and the state prisons. Let them live in there and die. And the treasury and the revenue will increase in dollars. This foolish USA government, they listen to those misguided provided by doctors. And they are, in turn, they are slaves and puppets to Queen of England and Pope. So they were all, the key for creating hell was given by whom? Queen of England Elizabeth II and Pope Francis only. And because of them only, these doctors also did that. So what is the civil justice? I will ask Pope Francis, Queen of England, to jump in the volcano and be gone in ashes, versus the other, including the doctors, because their crime is highest level. But there is that innocence is identified in my book of civil law. And I will ask them only to live free. Yes, people might be angry at me and telling, oh no, how on the earth this Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinch can live even free? Oh, is this lady is providing partiality? No. Right? When I am saying President Joe Biden to resign, when I am saying Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks to resign, it is an unbiased justice, regardless of whatever role they are doing. They destroyed the human brain nerves, damage is done, so medical compensation have to be paid. So yes, so this part of this Holy Bible parable is also, that's what I was continuing, right? Okay. So these forefathers, when they were sitting and writing the Holy Bible, you all got the answer why Holy Bible alone is holy, just a whole holy book. That is why it's called holy book, means only whoever sinned, the people only sat and wrote the Holy Bible. That is why it is holy. Why? Because whatever written, they were all writing in a different generations only, from Genesis all the way to Revelation. Different generation, population only sat and wrote. And nobody saw nobody. Right? Like meaning Moses or whoever wrote the Revelation, they never saw. Or whoever, Noah was in one generation and Daniel was in a different generation, so they never saw. But then they were all conveying only one truth. How is it possible? How is it possible for to err is human, right? And the sin, all entire population are sinned and flawed against glory of God. So how is it possible for them to write the Holy Book Bible? Same, everything same. You name the Daniel, whatever he predicted, it's same. And if you look into the Revelation, it is same. How is that possible? All right? So that means it's not even copying each other's work. Got it? That's not how it is. Otherwise, so that is why it is holiest means they sat and wrote with whatever God's Holy Spirit asked them to write. So what is the Holy Spirit? You all wanted to know, and you should know, right? For basic human rights. So, can you all see oxygen? No, right? Okay. How about can you all catch oxygen and show me how oxygen looks like? Okay. Can you all show me how oxygen talks? No, right? But then, can humans live without oxygen? Never, right? What happens when oxygen is not in the enough dosage, it's not in the human system? Humans will die, Right? So, what is the Holy Spirit part of it? What is that puzzle out of it? Why people are telling Holy Spirit? Why that holy word is tagged, is prefixed before that word Spirit? Means oxygen. Got it? Holy Spirit means what? Oxygen. Why? Without oxygen, human brain and human heart cannot be activated. So that is the live proof of how God of true Christianity, okay, they address the God's love as an agape love. Agape love means unconditionally overflowing love, without any expectations, without anything. That love is so pure and so overflowing. People will be only in heaven when that kind of a love is provided, because it is an unconditional love. Conditional love means what? Are you having a salary of this many dollars per month? Oh, then I can love. Are you owning a home? Then I can love. Oh, are you poverty? Sorry, I cannot love. Are you having a disease? Sorry, I cannot. Then conditional love means, and these are the conditional loves, right? These are all of the very highest level, common level of conditional love. So that means conditional love means what? It is a fake love. It is never a true love. That is what it means. Right? So agape love means what? It is a true love. The true love means is in one single word you can tell it as a true friend's love. A true friend love is so pure, so virgin love it is. It is always cool. That is why even abusive patients or abusive foolish people also will like only true friends love, because that love is so unconditional. It goes beyond and only helps. Even the foolish people will become wisdom when they are with a true friend. That is why true friend process mode. Right? So you all got the correct answer. Why Holy Book is Holy Bible, right? And why it means, because it is only the wrongful sinned to err is human people only. Satan wrote the Bible, but they wrote with whatever God asked them to write, and that is called as a God's Holy Spirit part of it. Imagine you name Moses, Daniel, Esther, like Deborah, like anybody for that matter. They are all voices. Means it is a first and telltale sign of a true Israelite tribe Christian Jew. They are supervisors, my dear fellow mankind. The other other fellow mankind, they will always be envying, meaning jealous of the wisdom that true Israelite Jews are having. But they never got that clear message that always the true Israelite Christian Jews, they feared God only, nobody else. They will even die to glorify God. Got it? That is the only reason they are so wisest. But these foolish people like Babylonians and non-Christians, they never had a clue. All they were in the blinded eyes, they were saying, oh, how can these Israelite Christian Jews can be so wisest? And they were only jealous. And out of jealous becomes what? Out of jealous only all unhealthy diseases created, right? Like being selfish, self-centered, to be too proud, superiority complex, treating fellow mankind less than dirt. All this created from the selfish or jealous only. Right? That means there is a complex. Oh, I am not wise enough like that. Like that, it creates a jealous, or I am not having whatever she or her has, like that. Compare it. So, but then, so so you all got the answer correctly. How then the wrongful men, if you all see, all the men only wrote the Holy Bible, right? And they were not pure. They were all sin by default, right? So how is it possible? And that is a life proof that why exactly Holy Bible is Holy Bible. Because God chooses any civilian. He uses any civilian as a tool, helping tool to guide the population. So people might be wondering, oh, how Moses, a sinful person, can even get the eligibility to write the Holy Bible like that. No. The real wisdom is, it is even beyond that. Only when there is a God's calling, God's Holy Spirit intervention, then they can right? And Moses wrote whatever God only asked them to write. So it's the same for Revelation, Luke, anything. So that is why Holy Bible is Holy Bible. And then you also got educated now today. What is God's Holy Spirit? It is not joke, my dear fellow mankind. You all, when you all understood what is oxygen, what is the usage of oxygen, then you will know what is God's Holy Spirit. I am talking because I am having oxygen. What if I do not have oxygen? People will never even bother to address me with my name, right? They will say, okay, what next? Process in a funeral process, they'll keep going on. That's the reality. Beyond having that emotional disturbance is everything. It's the same for every single human, regardless of skin color, regardless of nationality, regardless of religion, faith, regardless of age, gender. Emotions are same when people are handling emotions and feelings. So you all should know oxygen is given by only God in true Christianity alone. I have to use the word true Christianity, and it's all for a reason. Okay, you all will know down the road why I'm using that word true. So then, okay, I told they were writing only because of the prosecution, they have to write it in an indirect way, puzzle mode way, like a military defense code, Morse code way. That is one part of writing, communicating reaching out to the people. The other way of reaching out to the people in a user-friendly way is how? Writing up stories, right? And providing an example, a moral, like Aesop stories. And, there are a lot of stories that he wrote, and it's all small stories only, but it all provides a moral at the end of the story. Right? So similarly, they are all called different types of writing. Okay, the writers, they write in a different way to reach out to the people in a healthy communication process. And the other communication process is providing a story and providing an example. And when people are reading through that story, they will get educated. Oh, this is how the rightful pathway is. Oh, this is the wrongful pathway. They will know. That is a part of the education also included in that communication. So these Israelite tribes, true Christian Jews, were excellent communicators, excellent teachers, and they were able to predict correctly, so accurate, because for only one reason, they are fearful to God only. Okay, they are only fearful to God. And who knows all these? Babylonians knows. So that means even Babylon Empire, then came Persian Empire. Persia means today it's called as so people are thinking, is the Holy Bible a fake or a scam, right? No. Persia today is called as what? Afghanistan in Iran, right? And then Greek. You all know Greek Empire, the great Alexander, right? And then came the Egypt Empire. It all happened for real, for truth. The people were tortured when they were mandated to build the Giza pyramid, and that is a life proof. How on the earth they could even build that kind of a building, right? Nobody have any clue right now how they were able to build. So prosecution for the true Israelite tribe Christian Jews forever. It's known worldwide. So people are living only on the secure survival mode, right? And then all this empire collapsed, and then only it became as a Roman Empire. And that is how Pope, the Roman Empire kings only, they were wearing a mask called Pope. So Pope is a generic name. Like painkillers, you have ibuprofen. Painkiller is a generic name. Then ibuprofen or Aleve or Tylenol, they are all coming under different names. So Pope was a generic name they wanted to give. It was all created for a fooling purposes only, in the form of spider web. So you all got it. So the entire Roman Catholic population, civilians, are innocent after all. They were thinking Pope is a god. They never had a clue that Pope is a Roman king hero who was born and to destroy only true Christianity, and he successfully destroyed that. That's a different crime that we are going to handle it, right? And he is going to answer for it, and it will be super fun. You wait and watch and see. When I'm saying he will definitely run from Vatican and jump himself on the volcano and be gone in ashes, I'm not joking, my dear fellow mankind. Right? Because the crime provided by Pope Francis is deadliest, deadliest, deadliest. And how many crimes he provided? Just not one. He never even bothered to stop with one. Right? So, how many popes were there? Do you all know? Okay, so Roman Empire was created when the Egypt Empire got collapsed. So, Egypt kingdom, they never, ever, ever, forever, they never allowed the Israelite tribes, Christian Jews to live free forever. Never. Even after Moses saved those Israelites for 40 long years and were thinking he saved them, they were rounding up worldwide. So, what is the proof? That was a transition period, right? So, that transition period is what? London, Queen Elizabeth II. So, you see all those, how everything, all the puzzles are getting solved one by one in an excellent way. God gave me the wisdom, my dear fellow mankind. I solved all these puzzles when I worked in the Poverty Free Earth End of the Year 2030 project itself. Because for me, my brain, how on the earth there can be poverty? All the nations are so richest in their natural resources. It's impossible for India to be poorest. It is impossible for Africa to be poorest. It is impossible, infinite, for South America to be poorest. If you see on the patterns of abuse of the poverty level, only these continents alone has been separated. And out of all the continents, Africa is separated. But nobody knew the truth, how riches they were with all the resources, and how it's all been destroyed and abused because of these stupid, idiotic. I'm sorry to use those words, but at least be happy that I'm not using any other cues words, right? These absolute monarchs did. I already said there is only few blocks from St. Peter's Basilica in Italy to Somalia and Sudan. Yeah, Pope Francis gets to eat richest meal, even chocolate, whatever, wine, alcohol, everything. Versus there are civilians right in Somalia, right in Sudan, just few blocks away from St. Peter's Basilica. There is a famine. Nobody bothered to fix it. Why? Queen of Elizabeth II is ruling those nations as of now and wanted all those people to die only in poverty. They do not like poverty word at all. You are going to see more truths, my dear fellow mankind. Yes, late President Abraham Lincoln, late President John F. Kennedy, all these people, who was the other person? He's not a president though. Martin Luther Jr. Okay. Right? All these people, they died in a mysterious way, right? Nobody can ever solve those cases. How long of years passed? So many years passed. But today, I am saying the truth that it is only Queen Elizabeth II only and Pope Francis only killed them. He murdered them. So who's going to pay for the medical compensation for that? You all tell me. If you see on the patterns of abuse, those three people are innocent population only. And with whatever best of possibility only they were working on to help the population. And they wanted to help the poverty population only. Right? And if you're going to see, some of them were Republicans, right? And some of them were Democrats, I don't know. But then, on the highest level, they worked on helping out the population. And they got killed just because of that, on a mysterious way. Nobody could solve the problem. But then, what I did, I Veda Priya. I stood before them, and I'm going to get civil justice for those three people who died. After so many years past, the civil justice will be provided now by me. Right? So, can you all see how they provided all the scandal? They are super wild endangered species. They should not be living in the earth after all. They are endangered to human kingdom. Right? They are indigenous to human kingdom, and on time and time again, like every generation after generation, year after year, 100 years for every each 100 years, USA government is watching with their own eyes only the destructions going on. Why nobody were able to stand up and fix it means everybody fears only the absolute monarchs because survival mode. They know that they will be killed. On the other hand, I am the wisest woman means how many men are there in United States? How many men population are there in USA government, federal government world and state government world? I am the only one woman provided lot of challenges to entire male population in USA, and I slapped them telling that hey, the USA government is wrong, that needs to be fixed. Just get out of the way. I have to lead, I have to design, and I own USA. Who gave authority to destroy USA means all the male population in USA, in the government, federal government and state government will just back off. Right? Already I am aware that they are just fallen down in knees before me and shouting, Vedapriya is the true leader of USA. Hey, lowly queen. Right? Like that. Why? Because wisdom is so powerful, my fellow mankind. Foolish is not. Foolish is a wrongful way that lead a nation to be poorest and bankrupted mode, and that is how Queen Elizabeth provided the scandal, and USA never knew. They were thinking US is richest, they got all the luxury, right? But it's not. Then why on the earth USA have to be $22 trillion deficit? That itself is a crime. And they have to pay the medical compensation for that, because a nation do not have any birthright to go bankrupt mode, do not have any birthright to be in debt mode. I will ask why on the earth USA isn't $22 trillion debt? Pay medical compensation for that. I am the excellent tax collector, my fellow mankind, and USA is the happiest nation in the entire earth. Okay, so I have to educate these highest level of public awareness and the birthrights level awareness, because then I have to read this Holy Bible chapter, and then I have to provide a session. Means it all comes as a package, meaning everybody will know what exactly the scandal is all about, how to fix it, how only Vedapriya Ayan can fix it, like that. Right? Okay. So, what is this chapter in Holy Bible talks about? It is Luke chapter 19, New International Version, and Zacchaeus the tax collector. Okay, it is a parable. So I already said people tries a different way to communicate and reach out to the population, and that was how it was there on forever. Because when prosecution is provided, then they have to figure out a way to reach out to the population and educate them, right? Otherwise, the population will be freaking out. Oh, why all of a sudden Pope Francis has to jump in the volcano, means they'll freak out. But then, once when I display all the crime after crime, and they will be satisfied. Even if I stop all of them from the death penalty, nobody will stop. All 7.9 plus billions of population will want only absolute monarchs die only in the volcano in Hawaii. And it is according to the guidelines in Holy Bible. So everybody will back off, everybody will silent. They will just listen to me only. USA nation will listen only to me. Okay, so the chapter is Luke chapter 19, New International Version, and it is a parable about Zacchaeus the tax collector. I am just going to read the Holy Bible. I am not going to give more examples, or maybe I can explain on a very highest level, okay, because I have to end this session and then again continue with the real civil justice sign-off process, and then you all can relate this Holy Bible verse and the proof of the scandal and why that civil justice sign-off is provided that way. Okay, so that we all can be on the same page. Now, one more thing I wanted to add on. Imagine how long the Billy Graham was in USA. He died only in 95 or 99 years, like that. That many, close to 100 years he was in USA, right? He never educated USA in the rightful path. That is wrong. That is a crime. And that is why I said what? Go, dig the graveyard for Billy Graham, bring that coffin box. Because when civil justice is provided, nobody is left out in the civil justice law. He did a crime, right? And he was calling himself a fancy Christian evangelist, God of USA, Republican, very traditional values, white skin, right? But he never provided any healthy guidance to the government. That is wrong. In fact, he misguided the USA government in the wrongful way to provide a war in Iraq during George W. Bush, is my understanding. That is another standalone crime. Who is Billy Graham to even misguide the nation to go create a war against Iraq and to destroy Iraq landmass in pieces? Who is he? All in the name of God, right? All in the name of being Christian. If you're seeing, all these people have only Christian names, but they all did all kind of a hell after hell after hell. Right? How population, they were created hatred against the Iraqians, the Islam people. That itself is a crime. Right? So who is going to pay for those damages? George W. Bush Jr. is also handcuffed. In fact, out of all the innocence level, George W. Bush Jr. is less innocent in the list of who are living, because he created a deadliest crime of Iraq war, not once or twice. Not once, but twice, right? Gulf War I, Gulf War II, and also he provided death for Saddam Hussein. So who is going to pay damages for that? I'm going to get civil justice for everybody. It is Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis only killed, murdered Saddam Hussein. And medical compensation have to be paid. Because I already said it was a gasoline transaction error only. People, the London, they were not going on same page with whatever the Islam gasoline process have to be taken care of. And he became a scapegoat. And who used that as a tool? It is Queen England wanted to look herself as a godly, holy, and she made USA to look at fault and found guilty, and which is the truth, right? Because they only chased Saddam Hussein and they only murdered Saddam Hussein, right? It all happened only in the George W. Sr., George W. Bush Jr. era. So they proved that they are all fake Christians. They are not Christians after all. They wanted to use a Christian name to provide all these destructions. That's all. So, yes. So, you all got on the higher level of overview on how this scandal has been created. Right? Now, when I'm going to read this Holy Bible verse, you all can trace it out. See, always a healthy process must have healthy traceable processing, healthy measurable processing, right? Healthy identifying of the issues. So that way we can address each issue and then solve it. Right? You have to address the risk mitigation process, root cause analysis, right? So then we can easily fix it. So good news is what? All the root causes identified. Who did what, why, who did hell for everybody, all root causes identified. Only thing is USA have to do the task I'm asking them to do, and medical finance compensation must be paid. It's as simple as that. Okay, let me continue with this chapter. Luke 19, a New International version is Zacchaeus the tax collector. Jesus entered Jericho and was passing through. A man was there by the name of Zacchaeus. He was a chief tax collector and was wealthy. He wanted to see who Jesus was, but because he was short, he could not see over the crowd. So he ran ahead and climbed a sycamore fig tree to see him, since Jesus was coming that way. Okay? When Jesus reached the spot, he looked up and said to him, "Zacchaeus, come down immediately. I must stay at your house today." So he came down at once and welcomed him gladly. All the people saw this and began to mutter, "He has gone to be the guest of a sinner?" But Zacchaeus stood up and said to the Lord, "Look, Lord, Here and now I give half of my possessions to the poor. And if I have cheated anybody out of anything, I will pay back 4 times the amount. Jesus said to him, today salvation has come to this house, because this man too is a son of Abraham. For the Son of Man came to seek and to save the lost. Can you all understand what this parable is about? Meaning, in a very shortest explanation, people of fellow mankind can fall astray. They can get into the temptation, get into the unhealthy process mode, right? Become foolish like that, being abusive like that. But then, once when they realize their mistakes, or they want to be transitioned and walk on their wisest pathways, and that is good thing, because the brain is getting a transition from foolish brain to a wisest brain. Means that is healthy. Nobody have to worry about that. Oh, this person will live only always in a wisdom ways, like that. That is the meaning of the last 2 verses. I will read that one more time. Okay, but then the foolish people never got it. That is why not even one Christian evangelist to explain this particular verse parable to the USA government and explain the reality, the proof, the absolute proof of why and how absolute monarchs and Pope Francis teams only destroyed USA. Nobody bothered to explain that, because everybody were Christian evangelicals. They were wearing a mask and they were fooling the population all around with wrongful predictions, interpretations. I already said, when Holy Bible verses are going to be interpreted in the wrongful way, it will damage human brains. So that is why entire Christian evangelist population are handcuffed. And they all in jail. They all must end up only in the jail forever. I only can bail them out. I only can bail even late Billy Graham. I cannot forgive late Billy Graham, but I can bail out. That is all I can do for at least minimum. So I will read those last 2 verses one more time. Luke chapter 19, verses 8 to 9. But Zacchaeus stood up and said to the Lord, look, Lord, here and now I give half of my possessions to the poor. And if I have cheated anybody out of anything, I will pay back 4 times this amount. That means it is an absolute display of his innocence, and innocence of Zacchaeus, and it is also display of what? His old ways of living is being transitioned into new, right? It's a self-realization process mode. That means the brain is going to be working in only in a healthy ways process mode. That is good thing, right? On the other side, if Zacchaeus is going to say, oh no, oh Lord, who are you to ask me not to be good to the population? I'm a tax collector, I'm a higher salary paid fellow. I will only collect tax after tax. Like that, he never bothered to answer that way. Rather, he had his own brain transition processing, and he immediately, and if you see in this entire story, Jesus never even asked him whether he is a tax collector or not, whether he paid anything wrongful collected tax or not, whether he cheated the people on the tax dollars or not. He never asked. That is a wisdom education. Without asking, without everything, people should transition into the wisest mode. Good. So what is the wisdom? Just by seeing the wisest alone, the foolish will become wisest. That is why he just wanted to see who is Jesus. That is all he wanted. The Zacchaeus, in this entire parable, if you're going to see, Zacchaeus wanted to see who is Jesus. Because people were having, gathering for his sermons and listening to him, and all people were transitioning into wisest ways. People were becoming healthy day after day, seconds after day, second. So he was so curious. He just wanted to see only Jesus. That is all. Nothing more or nothing less. But then Jesus knew. Right? Jesus, without asking Zacchaeus about anything, Jesus knew. And he only said, Zacchaeus, please come down. I want to come to your house. That is all he said. But what did he reply? Zacchaeus stood up and said to the Lord, look, Lord, here and now I give half of my possessions to the poor. And if I have cheated anybody out of anything, I will pay back 4 times the amount. Got it. So can you all see how healthy transitioning of the brain is the healthiest way of curing and healing a brain, right? And then the finally, for that, what Jesus saying to her said to Zacchaeus. Jesus said to him, "Today salvation has come to this house, because this man too is a son of Abraham. For the Son of Man came to seek to save the lost." Right? So, what is the meaning of that? For the Son of Man came to seek and to save the lost means um, helping out the foolish people to walk in the wisdom ways. That is what it is. It's almost, you can even consider my education, right? Because I am just helping out all the population to walk only in the wisdom ways. I'm slapping on left and right on the foolish people. That is a disciplining process, right? When I'm saying President Joe Biden get out of the White House, it's a discipline provided to him in a healthiest process way. That is what is the wisdom. So I hope you all got the understanding of this chapter, Holy Bible parable about the Zacchaeus, the tax collector. And yes, this is one of the puzzle, and it is a life proof of the next session, which I'm going to explain about the sign of civil justice process along with the proof of scandal of Vatican. Okay, so we are all on the same page on that. Okay, so thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.